Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can redeem working codes in UMAX. So right now I'm on a website called umax.valuecom.com. So for example, here I have already a coupon called apply all UMAX codes at checkout in one click. I'm going to click on get code. Now in here, you can see this is all of the codes here, right? So the discount detail, the codes are like this, right? You can download the app if you want. Would you like to Cooper to try all UMAX code with just one click? You can do that if you'd like. But if I go to UMAX 3D scanners here, if you want to redeem the codes, for example, here I want to go to buy this free scan combo. I'm just gonna click on buy now. I'm gonna click on add to cart. I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Now from here, let's wait for it to load. Now from here on loading, you can just enter in the coupon code here, and you can enter in the coupon in here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.